Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I'm still feeling a little bit meh, but hey ho. And weather? Yep, that's pretty bad too. Anywho, we're heading up to Pegswood to pick up one or two geocaches. I was told about one of them the other day by a friend of mine, Dan, and she said that it was a very unique one and a good one to get. So yeah, that's where I'm heading now. I'm going to try and get that one. I think there's one nearby there I'm going to try and get as well whilst I'm up that way. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm just waiting to see if this passes. It probably won't. Good times. Good times. Well folks, I've sat here for nearly half an hour watching some Love Sundays videos, catching up on YouTube. Yeah, this rain ain't going nowhere. I guess we're going to get wet. Well, to be honest, this first one was really easy to find. It was kind of visible from the footpath. But yeah, at least I've got the first one. On to the harder one, I think. Awesome. The rain stopped for now. Yeah, as I was saying before in the car, I was watching some of my friend Sean's videos from the channel Love Sundays. You should go check them out. His videography and editing skills are amazing. It's like, I'm sure he's a professional TV producer or something, because they are so good. And I hope Sean doesn't mind, but I am stealing some of his ideas, and you may have noticed I am trying to like do some of the things that he does. He sort of like shoot something 2 or 3 times from different angles and then edits them all together. Yeah, I'm gonna try. If it doesn't work, I'll stop. But yeah, check out Love Sundays. Really good channel. Come on, let's go. And guess what, guys? The rain has started again. Whoop whoop, chicken soup, eh? Well, just as I thought, the rain has come back with absolute vengeance, and I couldn't find that cache, so I'm going to go and hide back in the car. Yeah, awesome. Now I need to time this really carefully. See why? Make sure there's no cars coming this way. Otherwise I'm going to get even wetter. Quick. Here comes a car. Stay away from the puddle. Ah, he stayed away. That was nice of him. Oh my, you've got rain on your eyes. There you go. Yeah. It's getting heavier. Uh-oh, car coming. Uh-oh, big puddle. No, walk faster. And he hit it. Thank you very much. Oh, soaking. And my jacket, it's meant to be a rain jacket, but it seems that the zip leaks because I've got a wet bit. Look, great, huh? Anywho, I think that's the end of geocaching today, don't you think? Yeah, like a drowned rat. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Time to head home and warm up and dry out. I went home, got dried off, picked Tristan up because we're going to deliver a marble top chest of drawers that we got in Belgium, and it started raining again. Yay! Emma's decided to come and help us get this geocache that we tried to get earlier. It was lovely blue skies. Guess what? We're getting halfway to where it is. Look familiar? Deja vu, but at least the rain has stopped for now. But I'm sure I was at this point when I said that last time, and then it started. Well, Emma found it, I should say. I was ready to give up once again, could not find it, and she just so happened to put her hand right on where the cache was. That was a very, very clever one. Yeah, more cleverer than Terry, because like I say, I was about to give up for the second time today. But we've got it. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. And as an added little bonus, I'm going to have a look at the sunset and this pond lake thing. Pegswood Moor Country Park, the lake, apparently. And I can't get through the gate. Ignore that bit. Edit! Well, would you look at that? I think maybe the drone will have to come here one day. Beautiful. Time to head up to the doctors again. This time not for a COVID jab, but a flu jab. I've had 3 COVID jabs and now I'm going to go for my flu jab. Now this is really going to trigger the anti-vaxxers, isn't it? And just like that we are done. So the last few days, COVID, flu. Let's hope I don't get COVID or flu now.
And now it's time to do your job.